My name is Sean Thompson and I am just a frustrated artist at heart. Are these following statements a reflection of how you feel? I'm not a serious artist, but I'm looking for a great outlet for my creativity. I don't want to spend hours learning new software before I can begin making things to share out. I'd like to learn how to share on the internet and YouTube fast. I'd like to learn at my own pace by having fun and doing it all for free.
You should totally wait for the bonus at the end.
Perfect. Want to do it now? You can learn to create simple, fun logos, animated characters, original cartoon images, animated explanation videos.
Calm down, young man.
And all with soundtracks you can make on your own with GarageBand or just add to a video you've made that is text-based right in YouTube for free. Creativity is everything. I believe this in my bones. Alright, that's it. That's all I've got. If you're not convinced, if you don't think I can help you, this isn't the channel for you. If it is, subscribe. This is fun. I'm telling you, it is so addictive. I can't stop making stuff. It feels great.
I pity the fool doesn't subscribe.
The world is a
Remix.